It's been a real great experience. Never really went into this kind of work before. It's all new to me. Everything right from the skid steer right to the excavator. It was all new to me, but being here, learned a lot. Yeah, now I like the excavator is my favorite, man. Like that one a lot.
The training? Oh, it's wonderful. Like, it's a great bunch of guys to work with, and then Craig and Randy are just awesome instructors. Spending time in the machines, that's where I learn, hands-on, and it's more beneficial hands-on than just watching videos. Like with the excavator there, I was kind of, a little shy of it, but now it's one of the most fun machines to be in. I would highly recommend this course. I think the experience firsthand of being able to operate the machines and then go out and operate the machines by yourself and learn as you get more time in the seat, you're going to get better as you go.
It's really good training, hands-on. Like, you get the machines, you get like not much places. You can just sit in the machine and get up to 2 hours and then switch off 2 hours, hour and a half. So about throughout the day, maybe 6 hours. You get a lot of time on the machines.